Hey Royals, welcome back to my channel. So I'm finally back with another video. I'm going to be sharing with you my 2 years and quarter lock update. So basically we're at 2 years and 3 months. Let's get into the video. So this is just going to be a quick update on my hair. Not too many crazy changes. I did do a retie a couple of weeks ago, so my retie is not fresh right now, but this is what my hair looks like right now. I did experience postpartum hair loss, but I'll do a separate video on that. My hair is definitely growing pretty fast. I just did a trim recently that's on my channel and it's already growing back. That's good. But I can officially say that I am now fully locked. This is my second lock set, so I know exactly what it means to be fully locked. For me, it means that I have no frizz apart from where I just did my retie. So everything from like here down is like minimal frizz. My locks feel dense and they've roughened up a little bit, so they're not as soft. I might start incorporating a little bit of conditioner into my routine now that I'm fully locked, but I'm not sure yet. I'm gonna have to do some research and find a really lightweight conditioner. If I do decide to do that, I will let you know though. But this is what it looks like. I did a semi-permanent hair color. You'll see that on my channel, but it's completely gone now. My hair is back to looking more brown, which is fine. Which is why I do semi-permanent, because I don't want to have black hair permanently. I want my hair to be as healthy as possible, and even black permanent dye can damage your hair. So I'm using the same products. I'm using Suave clarifying shampoo and my Dove anti-dandruff shampoo. I'm sticking with the same routine. I'm using light oils on my scalp. A lot of people ask me what is my hair routine, because it seems to be growing pretty fast, and I keep it simple. I don't put a lot of products on my scalp or in my locks to avoid buildup. Also, it's genetics as well. My hair has always grown pretty fast. There are definitely a lot of people whose hair grows way faster than mine, and people whose hair grows way slower than mine, but I would say it grows pretty fast. I'm not planning on doing another trim for a while. I'm just gonna let my hair grow out now that I'm happy with like the shape I have. So we're just gonna let our hair grow and flourish, and that's pretty much it. That's the beauty of the lock journey. Things do get a lot more simple the further you get into your lock journey, so keep that in mind. I know it can seem like you're not progressing in the beginning of your journey, but like most things, it requires patience. On a fitness journey, you have to be patient and keep working, keep doing your routine. Same thing with a lock journey. You just have to be patient. So make sure to go back on my channel to see where my journey started out, so you can see the progress of my locks and how it really doesn't take that long to get to this point in a lock journey. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed this really quick update on my hair. If you have any questions, definitely comment down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!